Now, I had been for a wedding in Hisar, and there I got to know I had food poisoning. So doctor advised that I go for a sonography. I got the sonography done there and got to know there is a tumor. And I met here at SIMS Dr. Mona Shah also. Now they all explained the same thing, that yes, it has to be removed, there is no way out, and it may be the tumor may be cancerous or not. That we'll get to know only after biopsy.
She came to me with complaint of abdominal pain and lump in her abdomen. Before consulting me, she already visited multiple hospitals across the Ahmedabad and Gujarat. After her consultation, we made a diagnosis with her clinical examination, blood test, CT scan, that she is having diagnosis of ovarian cancer.
Now this was a very tough decision for the entire family. My children, my husband, we were all very broken because this had never happened in our family before.
She underwent primary surgery, laparotomy, cytoreductive surgery, in which we removed uterus, ovarian mass, major lymph nodes, omentum, para-aortic, and peritonectomy was done. It was a major extensive cytoreductive surgery.
She counseled us very beautifully with all the pictures, shows and slides. She showed us what this tumor is and how bad it can be. It can even cover the bladder, and if we prolong this, even the bladder will have to be removed. So finally I made up mind, and she was very clear. It's a long surgery, but it is not that complicated. She had already performed last 7 years. I think she is one of the best gynec oncologists here in Gujarat who is performing such surgeries. And one thing I found best about her was she is young, she is energetic, and she is updated with all the latest techniques. So I found that I think I'm in safe hands getting performed my surgery through her. So I gave way. I said, okay, you continue with the surgery. Now today, after the surgery was performed, it was operated successfully. The tumor was removed.
Ovarian cancer can affect at any age. When the patient presents in early stage, we can do primary surgery followed by chemotherapy is given. In 70% of times, patient presents in late stage, stage 3 and beyond. In such cases, we do give chemotherapy first, then the surgery is performed. We have advanced latest treatment called HIPEC available at our center, in which we give intraperitoneal chemotherapy during surgery, which is the latest advanced technique available for treatment of ovarian malignancy.
So thank you Marengo SIMS for keeping such good staff with you. I would recommend this hospital to whosoever is suffering with such kind of pains and tumors and cancers and whatever problems you have. Just come and visit and get yourself counseled at least.